organic learning.
Hey guys, today we are going over all these awesome Hot Wheels monster trucks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we have all beefed up. Okay, I'm real excited for this guy. One of my passions is fake food, and this guy looks like a hamburger. That's awesome. Let's see what his statistics are. All right, we've got name, all beefed up, truck type, SUV, strength, gigantic patty, crash attack, beefy bash up, and his motivation is to hit him with the works. The works. There's no better way to have a hamburger than with everything on it. The works. All right, let's open this guy up and see what's inside. All right, as I said before, he looks like a giant hamburger. Oh no, wait, sorry, cheeseburger, because there is cheese. All right, first we've got some really cool wheels with the red insides, and right there it says all beefed up. Ooh, we got some special sauce right there, maybe Thousand Island. We've got cheese. Got a layer of lettuce, tomato, onion, more special sauce, possibly some relish. This looks like a very yummy cheeseburger. Oh man, look at that gold looking grill. Everything's tan. Oh, he's got a sesame seed bun right there. You can see all the little sesame seeds right there. And then on this side, it's all the same. The back, it says all beefed up. And then on the top, with some burger edges, says all beefed up. And he's got some chrome underneath. Well, this guy is really cool, and as usual, it comes with a little smashing truck for him to smash. Awesome. All right, let's see what is next. Next we've got Shark Wreck. Oh man. Oh no, I'm so sorry. This says Shark Wreak. Whoa. I wonder what this guy's deal is. Let's check out his statistics. All right. First we've got his name is Shark Wreak. Oh, I get it. It's a play on Shark Week. Very funny. Truck type, creature. Strength, powerful jaws. Crash attack, shark tooth chomp. And his motivation is to shred them into fish sticks. Okay, I cannot wait to open this guy. He looks really, really cool. There we go. Got it. Neat. All right, let's see here. He also comes with a little smash truck. All right. Wow. This guy is visually stunning. So first things first, he's got these really cool neon yellow or green, depending on your eyesight, translucent wheels. You can kind of see through them. That's pretty cool. And he's got this neon green or yellow underneath part right there with some chrome. And then on the top, well, first of all, it looks like a shark, obviously. And he also has some teeth. Look at this. He's got those like same translucent neon teeth. He's got the fins of a shark. Look at his tail fin. He's got the nose of a shark. He's yellow and green. And he has these signs on him that symbolize hazardous waste. So this guy, it looks like he got dropped into a vat of hazardous material, and he's just about to wreak havoc. This guy is very neat. All right, let's see what we've got next. Next we've got the Hotweiler, kind of like a Rottweiler, but with Hot Wheels. All right, let's check out his statistics. His name is Hotweiler. His truck type is creature. His strength is his T-bone grip. His crash attack is bite and chew. And his motivation is to bury their bones. Alright, let's open this guy up. Oh man, this guy looks like a pretty vicious Rottweiler, if you ask me, but has a monster truck. There we go. Got it. Alright. Also comes with a little smash truck. The smash trucks are pretty cool because they're already smushed. Alright, now let's see here. This guy is very, very neat looking, very intimidating. First, we've got some pretty normal wheels other than this very pretty orange chrome outlining. And then we've got these chrome pieces right here underneath and on the side. And let's see, he's orange and then he's yellow. And he's got those big scary teeth. He's got these turquoise blue glass eyes so that the driver can see. And then on the back, he's got a leash, or no, sorry, not a leash, but a collar. And then he's got a chain attached to his collar because, you know, Rottweilers, sometimes they can be dangerous. So sometimes you gotta make sure they're on a chain. That's so cool. Look at that detail. This guy is awesome. All right, next we've got Steer Clear. Oh, nice. Steer, spelled S-T-E-E-R, just like a cow. And that is exactly what he looks like. All right, his statistics are, his name is Steer Clear, his truck type is creature, his strength is his twin horns, his crash attack is steer stampede, and his motivation to always settle its beef. Oh man, this is pretty cool. If I were to match these trucks up to battle, I would probably put this guy against all beefed up. Get it? All right, let's open this guy up and see what's inside. Wow. This guy is pretty cool. All right. So first of all, we have these really, really different looking off-white wheels. They're almost gray or taupe, and they're pretty cool looking. And then his body is all black, but with these taupe same color spots. And wow, his eyes are just all black. But look, you can see his little nostrils right there because he's like a cow. And then he's got these two red horns. Remember, his strength was his twin horns. And he's got yellow underneath and some chrome on the back right here. I wonder if maybe this is his engine. This guy is very cool looking. Awesome. I'm gonna put him right here next to all beefed up. Okay, next we've got the Motosaurus. This guy is pretty cool looking already. Let's check out his stats before we open him up. All right, name, Motosaurus. 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 All right, truck type, creature, strength, dynamite. That is also very funny. Crash attack, Stegosaurus spike. And motivation, to stick them all over. Oh, this guy sounds like he's spiky. He's a Stegosaurus, which they have those spikes on the back of them. Let's open it up and check him out. All right. Look at this guy. Okay. Wow, these are also some really cool colors. Okay, we've got turquoise wheels right here on the inside. And we've got yellow underneath. And then his body is like this turquoise green color with brown spots. but then these orangey red spikes on top with his little orangey red head sticking out. This guy is very neat. And look at his tail. His tail has these 3 spikes on the back, just like a real Stegosaurus would. They would use the tail and they would like bash their enemies with these spikes, which is very, very cool. Man, this guy is super neat. We've also got chrome underneath. Ooh, right here you can see his engine because this part's lifted up. That's kind of cool. And then, yeah, up front we've got a little trailer hitch. Very neat. And lastly, we have, ooh, a classic Rodger Dodger of the Hot Wheels monster trucks. Let's check out this guy's statistics. Name, Rodger Dodger. Truck type, muscle. Strength, flat out acceleration. Crash attack, full speed slam. And motivation to hit him head on. So, sounds like to me that this guy is really fast and probably has a very big engine. So let's check him out. All right. So this guy has some very, very pretty red chrome wheel outlinings, and as I predicted, a very, very large engine. Look at that engine. It takes up way more space than what was underneath the hood, so it sticks out of the hood of the car. And then, I mean, how does the driver even see past that thing? All right, so we've got a nice, pretty blue, Dodger blue, if you will, body. And then we've got these red and yellow flames all over the back of it. We've got this chrome engine sticking out. We've got some chrome underneath as well as some black plastic back here. And then we've got a blue bumper. Ooh, with some clear blue plastic right here. Very cool. Oh, and maybe another engine right under there. Awesome. This is Rodger Dodger. Very cool. Well, it's time to go. We hope you had fun going over all of these awesome Hot Wheels monster trucks. Bye-bye. See you next time.
If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.